Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We're going to go over some 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday, March the 26th at Dollar General. And in this video, I have a total of 5 awesome deals for y'all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright guys, so first up we have a little dog food scenario here. So for this one you want to pick up 3 of the Beneful dry dog food 3.5 pound bags at $18.75. They're $6.25 each. One of the Airwick warmers at $2, one of the Rolaid 6 count at $1.50, one of the Crest with scope toothpaste for $2.25, one of the Crest mouthwash for $1, and that's going to bring your subtotal to $25.50. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, your 2 off 1 Beneful dry dog food, the buy 2, get 1 free Beneful dog food, the $1.99 off 1 Airwick warmer, 2 off 1 Rolaids, 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons to $5.26 for 7 items, making each one just 75 cents each. Alright guys, next up we have a food scenario for this week. So for this one you want to pick up 3 of the Velveeta or Kraft macaroni and cheeses at $10.95, 1 box of the Totinos pizza rolls at $2, 1 of the Honey Bunches of Oats cereal, and 2 of the General Mills cereals. They are on sale this week, 3 for $6. 3 bags of Bugles, they are on sale, buy 2, get 1 for free, so you're going to pay $2. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Rexall Vitamin D3 60 counts at $2, 1 of the Airwick warmers at $2, 1 Crest with scope toothpaste at $2.25, and 1 of the Rolaid 6 count at $1.50. And that is going to put your subtotal at $28.70, but that $2 in instant savings for the Velveeta and Kraft deal will come off first at the register, and that is going to bring your new subtotal down to $26.70. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 3 Velveeta insert coupon from the March 13th Smart Source, 75 cents off 1 Totinos, 1 off 1 Honey Bunches of Oats, 1 off 2 General Mills cereal, 1 off 1 Rexall vitamins, $1.99 off 1 Airwick warmer, 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and the 2 off 1 Rolaids. Your subtotal after coupons will be $8.96 for all 13 items, making each one just 68 cents each. But don't forget that some accounts did receive this 3 off 15 DG store coupon for food items. And last weekend, this did stack with the 5 off $25 coupons. So if that happens again this weekend and it stacks with that, that is going to bring your subtotal to $5.96 for 13 items, making each one just 45 cents each. And also, don't forget, right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a 350 point bonus on the Lucky Charms cereal. So if you want to pick up one of the Lucky Charms as one of your choices for the General Mills cereals that I included in this scenario, you're going to get an extra 35 cents back once you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. And if you're not already signed up, I highly recommend it. My referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive an extra 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Guys, next up we have a Gain deal this week. So for this one you want to pick up 1 of the Gain laundry products that are priced at $7.50. There's a lot that you can choose from, so you pick up what you need for your household. We have flings, fabric softener, fireworks, and sheets. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Gain laundry products priced at $4.50. Again, different ones that you can choose from. Flings, fireworks, sheets, or fabric softener. Then you want to pick up 3 of the Gain scented Febreze air fresheners at $9. Those are $3 each. 2 of the Pinalene or Cloralene cleaners for $2. You can find those in the dollar aisle for $1 each. 1 of the Airwick warmers for $2 and 1 Crest mouthwash for $1. That is going to put your subtotal at $26.50. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 5 off 20 Gain DG store coupon, the 2 off 1 Gain, the 1 off 1 Gain, the 3 off 2 Febreze, the 1 off 1 Febreze, the 150 off 2 Pinalene or Cloralene products, the 199 off 1 Airwick warmer, and the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $5.01 for 9 items, making each one just 55 cents each. Now, this is an old slide, but I still wanted to give you all the reminder. Anytime that you do a Gain deal, you want to make sure that you scan each and every Gain scented product, okay? Because you want to make sure that the 5 off 30, or in this case, this week, we have a 5 off 20 Gain coupon. So you want to make sure your 5 off 20, the 5 off 25, and the individual Gain manufactured digital coupon show up underneath all Gain scented products, because some Gain products and some Gain scented products will not work with the 5 off 20 Gain coupon. Now, here's just a quick example of what you want to see when you are in the store and you scan your Gain scented products in the app, okay? Again, we do not have these coupons right now. This is a 3 off 1 for Gain Flings and a 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon. So these are older coupons. We do not have them this week, but just as an example, you guys can see here I've scanned the Gain Flings. The 3 off 1 Gain Flings coupon showed up, the 5 off 20 Gain coupon showed up, and then the 5 off 25 showed up, okay? So that's what you want to look for when you are scanning your Gain products. Alright guys, next up we have another little household / laundry care deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Snuggle products that are on sale, 2 for $9. 1 of the Snuggle 40 count sheets at $2.25. 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills. Sorry, I forgot to put that in there. Those will be $7.90 for 2. 2 of the Pinalene and Cloralene cleaners for $2, found in the dollar aisle for $1 each. 1 of the Airwick warmers for $2. 1 of the Rolaid 6 count at $1.50, and 1 Crest mouthwash for $1. That is going to bring your subtotal to $25.65. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, your 4 off 2 Snuggle, 125 off 1 Snuggle or All product, $3.99 off 2 Dawn Power Wash products, $1.50 off 2 Pinalene and Cloralene cleaners, $1.99 off 1 Airwick warmer, 2 off 1 Rolaids, 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash, and that is going to bring your subtotal to $4.92 for 10 items, making each one just 49 cents each. Alright guys, next up we have a little personal care deal here, and we are going to be taking advantage of the instant savings of $2 when you spend 8 on Axe and Dove products. And don't forget about those deals, guys, especially if you still have insert coupons, because there are a ton of amazing deals that you can throw in with your 5 off 25s, okay? But this deal right here is an all digital deal, so anybody can do it. So you want to pick up 3 of the Axe 1.7 ounce deodorants at $8.25, 1 box of the Band-Aids that are priced at $2.50, 1 of the Skintimate women's razors priced at $6, 1 Edge or Skintimate shave gel priced at $3, 1 of the Tresemme hair masks priced at $2, 1 of the Playtex Sport tampons for $3.50, 1 of the Rolaid 6 count at $1.50, and 1 of the Crest mouthwash priced at $1. That is going to bring your subtotal to $27.75. The $2 in instant savings will come off first at the register for the Axe products, and that's going to put your new subtotal at $25.75. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Axe deodorant, the 2 off 2 men's grooming, 1 off 1 Band-Aid, 4 off 1 Skintimate razors, 2 off 1 Edge or Skintimate shave gels, the 1 off 1 Tresemme, the 2 off 1 Playtex, the 2 off 1 Rolaid, and the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash. Your subtotal after coupons will be $4.75 for all 10 items, making each one just 47 cents each. And of course, once you're done shopping, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because all those Unilever products like Dove, Axe, Tresemme are included in the Fetch Rewards program, which means you're going to get a few extra points just for purchasing those products. And if you have this bonus on your account, and I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to Debra Williams-Bus for sharing this deal with me, because I didn't find it on my account, but if you have it on yours, once you spend $30 on Unilever products, you're going to earn 10,000 points, which is the equivalent of $10. So don't forget to scan your receipts in. And again, if you're not already signed up, this is the easiest rebate app out there, and I highly recommend it, especially if you are a new couponer. So if you want to go and check it out, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And again, if you use it, you're going to get 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. And just as a quick friendly reminder, if you guys missed the good deals and glitch list video this week, or if you need a refresher, go back and check out last week's good deals and glitch list video because there are a ton of awesome coupon matchups right now at Dollar General. So it's a good idea to go back and check out those videos and kind of refresh your memory. And that way you'll have a couple of substitutions just in case you get into the store and maybe they're out of stock or maybe you've already used a coupon. If you need any other ideas, those videos are the 2 videos to watch right now, and I will leave those linked in the pinned comment down below. And again, don't forget, we still have that instant savings on all of the Dove and Axe products, and we have insert coupons as well as digital coupons. So in last week's Good Deals and Glitch List video, I put together a ton of really awesome ways that you guys can mix and match with insert and digital coupons. So if you want to take advantage of those savings before they're gone and those coupons are expired, definitely go back and check out last week's Good Deals and Glitch List video. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful for you. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. Also, please hit that thumbs up button because it is an easy way and a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend and I will see you on the next one.